At Katwe Martyrs Church, Christians from various cultural backgrounds spent the day in a joyous atmosphere as they gathered to celebrate the Cultural Sunday. The day began with a vibrant praise and worship session that saw people from all cultures joyfully participating. In a special moment, individuals from different cultural groups took turns to read the scriptures in their mother tongues.
Duhunganire kandi uko mubonye urya munsi wegera mubariko murushaho kugeza mutyo.
Nuwo omugisa ogu enju ye gwatandikire. Nobwa kubayire bayingi bakaba nibatokera haiguru habo muhimbo baitu
Ochiho melamiye winyo keremiya kwa amepera kino naha opakluba.
Afterwards, there were energetic performances representing diverse cultures from the North, West, East, Central regions, Rwanda and others. During a media interview, Yiga Peter, the chairperson of the organizing committee, explained that because of the church's unique location, it brings together people from many tribes, hence the need to organize such a day once in a while.
Ategeka olunaku luno Culture Day kati eri Culture Sunday olw'okubeera nga tuleeta amawanga ag'enjawulo. Omanyi Katwe Martyrs teyina nsalo, buli abakristaayo bava buli wamu, n'olwekyo tuyina amawanga ag'enjawulo mu kanisa eno. Twayagala tugagatte, tubeereko wamu, tumanye cultures zaabwe, twogereko ko nabo, tusabeko Katonda mu nnimi ez'enjawulo. So y'ensonga lwaki twateekateeka olunaku luno okuleeta awamu cultures n'abakristaayo okubeera awamu n'okulirako awamu nga kanisa bagabadde.
He went on to highlight some of the activities that were showcased during the celebration.
Tetwagadde wabula kulaga abantu mu kanisa nti culture yonna terina bwekontana na kusinza kwa kanisa. Culture erimu engeri y'okufumba. Tufumbye ebintu ebyenjawulo, abamaleewa, buli ggwanga lireese emmere yaalyo ntugifumba. Era bwe munaalaba mu kyaki tujjeeyo ennoneeza edda. Tujja kulaba mu kyaki nti abantu bajja ne bajja ng'Abanyarwanda nabo bagenda kukubeerawo balage culture yaabwe mu nnyambala, mu nfumba ne mu neeyisa, kubanga culture ezo zigenda ziggwawo. Kati ng'ekkanisa twagadde cultures ezo n'abaana abato bano bazirabe.
Canon Gastalule, one of the participants, said the day was meant to promote unity within the church despite diverse cultural backgrounds.
Today is a day for the family in our church. In our church, when we are having a family Sunday, we do socialize. We sit together, we try to be as humble as possible, and we move at the same level. From Central region, we decided to make a small play, and I played as Sajabi. It was showing the people the way how we do welcome people in our home. The second part will be how a Muganda serves food locally.
The parish priest of Katwe Martyrs Church, Reverend Flobia Sebunya, shared the purpose and importance of organizing such a significant event that brings together Christians from different churches and traditions.
Today we are celebrating our Culture Day. Culture Day, we gather together. Different tribes gather together to thank the Lord for all this far He has brought us. So we are celebrating this day. Different tribes are available, we are around. They shall show us whatever it takes. The Baganda will show us how they behave. the artesot will show us how they even prepare their food. Food is in plenty. We have to see different dishes. Today we are seeing they will show us different dishes. So this day we are celebrating and we want to thank the Lord.